And maybe I would come back to the question again on the examples, just quickly, because it was very interesting. Could you give some more examples of indicators or factors that can be positively enhanced or influenced through the AI introduction in some various use cases? For example, increase in turnover, in gross margin, or production optimization. You already mentioned it earlier, but if you would have some more examples, that would be great, I think. Very interesting.
There is really a lot of examples, and everyone who is interested in this topic, I would recommend just type and really think and look at applications, and you will see that they are in different domains, and they can, for example, be in marketing, and marketing can benefit from improved customer care. So this is one good factor, and you can use optimization, which is really one of maybe the most used cases. You can increase quality, decrease and machine burnout. You can reduce machine errors by early diagnosis. It can be done in many innovative ways. For example, you can analyze sound, and by analyzing sound, you can really seamlessly find out that where can be a problem. And usually, we think that we need something which is oh wow, some innovative, something which wasn't here before, but just go to business and look at what people do, and what things you need really a lot of manpower, and they don't need a lot of creativity in doing this. This is a very good case. For example, you can have buildings, and you should check in some specific periods whether everything works well. So you can use cameras, and then AI algorithms can help you at least to filter out the cases which may be the most important. Of course, it's always better if you have some idea which nobody has, but many times it's really very simple, just looking around and knowing what AI is, and what are limits, and what you can achieve, and then to try with your data. And I believe that our government and European Commission already does this, will help. So just you have to come with ideas.
So ID is for sure one important thing if you want to implement AI and looking into your business and thinking about what you would like to improve. But then when you decide that you would like to adapt some AI systems, what are, in your opinion, the three main preconditions or prerequisites that must be taken in account when adopting AI? The three most important things.
I already mentioned it in other occasions, so it's always good if we repeat it, and maybe I will add more. But the most important you have to have some basis for doing your stuff, and for AI today, this is data and algorithms. And actually, I can tell that data are in many cases more important than algorithms. Not because the algorithms are not important, but because we spend with researching and focusing on algorithms on many years, and they are quite well developed. And even we have processes how to improve them all the time. But what we don't do actually properly is to work with data, and we are finding this just now. when the AI solutions are much more spread, that we have, for example, biases, and without quality data, it's really impossible to get really a good solution, and this has further implications on trustworthiness of AI. That we don't understand it, that we don't understand implications. So it's not just data are important, computing power is important. They should work together, but there are other issues, as I started to mention. And the third one is, of course, people. And what is specific for AI is that small change, for example, in data, can have a big impact on your result. This is not usual, because usually we as people think that we logically, if you have small change, you will have
Small results.
small change in the results, and this is really important, and this requires really experts to deal with it, and we have not enough experts. And we in Campbell and Institute of Intelligent Technologies try to improve this as well. So our main goal is to concentrate talent and AI talent in Slovakia. So I believe that we will be able to help in this as well.